Pinealoma. Pinealoma, shown as the pine cone gnome, is a tumor of the pineal gland, a small midline structure located rostrodorsal to the superior colliculus and between the thalamic bodies. It produces the serotonin derivative melatonin, the melanin tonic, which is a hormone that plays a role in regulating circadian rhythms. The most common tumors found in the pineal gland include germinoma, the German gnome, and teratomas, the pterodactyl tomato. Due to disruption of the melatonin secretion, these tumors can cause insomnia, portrayed by the sleeping hydras being awakened by the melon. Enlargement of the gland can also compress the vertical gaze center located in the superior colliculus, the cauliflower soup, causing paralysis of upward gaze, shown by the wheelchair and the up arrow on the German gnome's eyes, and Parinose syndrome, pears and nuts in the eyes of the pine cone gnome. Conjugate downward gaze is commonly seen in Parinose syndrome and frequently called setting sun sign, represented by the sun eyelids. Pinealomas are also associated with causing interruptions of hypothalamic inhibition pathways and can have elevated beta-HCG secretion, portrayed by the pregnant beta fish. Elevated beta-HCG levels lead to Leydig cell stimulation and increased production of sex hormones, causing precocious puberty, shown by the diaper full of pubic hair and the peacock tail. Remember, precocious peacock, puberty pubic hair. The pineal gland is located near the cerebral aqueduct, shown by the aqueducts in the hydra's necks, and can cause compression leading to hydrocephalus, the hydras coming out of the gnome's head.
This pine gnome wants to party with pear nuts as soon as the sun sets. But it's no wonder this German gnome looks down his nose at him when he gives melon tonic to a pregnant beta fish. He agreed to meet him for dinner even though the aqueduct pattern on his hydra head is losing its luster from lack of sleep. The flavors of his cauliflower soup with pterodactyl tomato are much more subtle than his traditional peacock clothing. They're simply proud to show off their maturity from a young age in this country.